So, give it your best shot and see where it takes you. Okay, so why should you even care about the TOEIC? Well, here's the thing. English is like a superpower in today's world. It's the language of business, technology, and so many other things. Having a good TOEIC score can open doors to amazing opportunities. It can help you get a better job, study abroad, or even just communicate with more people around the world. Many companies and universities use the TOEIC to see how well you can communicate in English. It's like a stamp of approval that says, hey, this person knows their English. So whether you're just starting out or you're already pretty fluent, the TOEIC can be a valuable tool for your future. Positive mindset. With dedication and the right approach, you'll find yourself improving steadily and gaining confidence in your abilities. So, keep practicing, stay focused, and soon you'll be able to tackle sentence completion questions with ease and accuracy. Good luck. your friend. Expanding your vocabulary, one word at a time. Vocabulary is like the building blocks of language. The more words you know, the easier it is to understand and communicate. And yes, a strong vocabulary is super helpful for Part 5 of the TOEIC. But don't worry, you don't need to memorize the entire dictionary. Start by focusing on common words and phrases that are used in everyday English, especially in a workplace setting. Read English books, watch English movies, listen to English music, anything that exposes you to new words. And don't be afraid to look up words you don't know. Every new word you learn is a victory. Time management, making every second count. Time management is crucial for any test, and the TOEIC is no exception. You have a limited amount of time to answer a lot of questions, so you need to use your time wisely. The best way to manage your time is to practice beforehand. Get familiar with the format of the test, the types of questions, and how much time you have for each section. During the test, don't spend too much time on any one question. If you're stuck, move on and come back to it later if you have time, and remember, every second. So you can focus your studying. Test day tips. Staying calm and focused. Test day can be nerve-wracking, but don't worry, you got this. Here are a few tips to help you stay calm and focused on the big day. Get a good night's sleep. Don't stay up all night cramming. Your brain needs rest to function properly. Eat a healthy breakfast. You don't want your stomach growling during the test. Arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time to find your testing room and get settled. Take deep breaths. If you start to feel anxious, take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves. Stay focused. Don't get distracted by other test takers. Focus on your own test and do your best. Keep learning resources for TOEIC success. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a destination. There are always new words to learn, new grammar rules to master, and new ways to improve your communication skills. The good news is that there are tons of resources available to help you on your journey. Websites, apps, books, courses, you name it, it's out there. Find resources that work for you and make learning fun and engaging. The more you enjoy the process, the more likely you are to stick with it. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, don't give up. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Subscribe to get more about TOEIC test. Please like this video to support this channel. Many thanks.